बाद में चल रही FII9 इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में फ्रैंकलिन टेम्पल्टन के बासिल खातून ने भारतीय बाजार को लेकर हमारे सहयोगी अनुराग शाह से खास बातचीत की। उन्होंने कहा कि वैल्यूएशन सस्ते हैं, इनोवेशन, कम कर्ज और मजबूत बुनियाद से भारत में ग्रोथ को सपोर्ट मिल रहा है।
What are your views on global emerging markets and how that will pan out going ahead?
Well, thank you so much for having me. I mean, I think the opportunity for global emerging markets remains very significant. If you remember, emerging markets have significantly underperformed MSCI World for almost the better part of the last decade. If we look at the last 6 to 12 months, we've seen that emerging markets this year are up 30%, MSCI World is up 15%, and so we've started to see an outperformance of emerging markets. We think that has a good chance of continuing. Today, when we look at emerging markets, they remain undervalued, so their valuations remain at a very steep discount to global peers, roughly in the order of 40%. They remain very under-owned by international investors. Money for the last decade has been coming out of emerging markets and has only recently started to come back into emerging markets. And I think they remain very underestimated from the potential of their innovation, where they're leading in new industries like AI, like industrials, like robotics, but also in terms of the way they have constructed their economies, which are much more diversified now, and their funding structures are much more domestic than in previous times. So I think when you look at emerging markets today, as a whole asset class, it's an area of significant growth, and one that we feel very optimistic about looking ahead.
चलिए अगली खबर बॉलीवुड से। इमरान हाशमी और यामी गौतम स्टारर फिल्म हक 7 नवंबर को रिलीज होने जा रही है। सुपर्ण वर्मा के डायरेक्शन में बनी फिल्म हक की कहानी तलाक के मुद्दे पर भारत के इतिहास के सबसे बड़े सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऐतिहासिक फैसले पर आधारित है। फिल्म के ट्रेलर ने आते ही एक बहस छेड़ दी और टाइम्स ग्रुप के जंगली पिक्चर्स के बैनर तले बनी इस फिल्म के स्टारकास्ट यामी गौतम और इमरान हाशमी से खास बातचीत की ग्रुप एडिटर और टाइम्स नेटवर्क एंड एडिटर इन चीफ नाविका कुमार ने।
Joining me tonight on the show, Yami Gautam. Thank you very much for being in our studios. Haak is a film that is a film about women rights, equality, gender equality based on the landmark Shah Bano case. I'm just dying to talk about it and dying to get your views on it. And joining Yami Gautam is Imran Hashmi. Akkha Bollywood ek side mein, Imran Hashmi ek side mein. Intimacy expert and consultant. Oh my God. साक्षात यहाँ हमारे स्टूडियो में serial kisser to intimacy consultant
to lawyer now
lawyer in Haak.